Today I'm making Basque cheesecake, burnt cheesecake, San Sebastian cheesecake. It's all Spanish cheesecake. Very beautiful. Very tasty. Let's make together. For Basque cheesecake, first we need to preheat our oven to 240 degrees Celsius. Second, we need to prepare our mold. I've got 20 centimeters foam around and baking paper. Need to crease our baking paper. Another layer. My foam is high sides because cheesecake will rise and after it will fall down. So we need high sides. Very few ingredients needed. Over here I've got 500 grams of cream cheese, 300 grams of cream, 4 eggs, 20 grams of flour and 120 grams of sugar, powdered sugar or fine sugar. 500 gram cream cheese goes with the sugar together. My cream cheese is salty. I'm not adding any salt. All ingredients must be room temperature. Very important. Now one by one I will add eggs and 1.5 teaspoon vanilla extract. Now 20 grams of flour, and cream, mixture is runny, it must be like this. And touch of lemon juice. Now we pour in a foam. Straight in oven, 240 degrees Celsius for 30-35 minutes. Cheesecake have been in oven for 35 minutes. Nice and crinkly and burny. It did rise up. Now it will go down. As it cools, it would go down. It's a little bit jiggly in the middle. It must be like this. After 10 minutes, I will remove cheesecake from foam, and it must cool down completely at room temperature. And after, I will put in the fridge overnight, and we will try tomorrow. Cheesecake been in the fridge overnight. Let's cut. Now it's nice and firm. Look how beautiful. Absolutely divine. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Don't forget to put like. Thank you. Until next time.